That's right. You know, this case right now is playing out on two fronts. One is inside the courtroom with testimony in front of the jurors. The other is in court filings with the defense and prosecution battling out of the view of the jurors. We can tell you the prosecution has now filed its response in opposition to the defense motion to exhume the body of Randall Bowers to confirm he's the father of the defendant, Robert Bowers. It calls the motion entirely disruptive to the trial. The prosecution argues the issue of paternity is tangential and not central to the issues in this case, that it's completely untimely and threatens delay and distraction from the pressing issues in the trial. It also says the federal court is without jurisdiction to order exhumation of this body, that's something to be dealt with in state courts. Now, this became an issue for the defense because the prosecution keeps pointing out that Robert Bowers' mother had raised the possibility that Randall Bowers may not be the father of the defendant. Randall Bowers was diagnosed as a schizophrenic and committed suicide. The defense wants a DNA test to prove paternity so they can argue a genetic impact for Robert Bowers. Meanwhile, the defense testimony continues in the courtroom today. Pastor Jeffrey Dillinger testified Bowers in 2016 started attending his church at the time, attended Bible study, and was baptized. That Bowers was interested in studying the book of Revelation, but the pastor urged him to focus on Jesus in the Bible study. The prosecution asked the pastor on cross-examination if Bowers' thought processes were orderly and his comments made sense. The pastor answered yes. Now, witness Sherry Dodge testified that Bowers moved into his grandfather's basement next door to her home about 20 years ago and lived there until the grandfather's death in 2014. She remembers Bowers confronting a person sitting in a car that neighbors considered suspicious, that turned out to be an insurance claims investigator. The prosecution asked her if Bowers ever said or did anything to make her think that he was mentally ill. She answered no. Court in recess right now. Testimony resumes at 1 this afternoon. Reporting live outside the federal courthouse downtown. Bob Mayo, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.